Hello, kids! Let's learn about emergency vehicles, the heroes on the road! That's a police car! It keeps our city safe and sound!
Police officers catch bad guys and help everyone follow the rules.
This is a fire truck. It goes Nina, Nina to stop fires.
Grab my hand. It's okay, we're almost down. Just keep moving.
Oh, thank you. I can't believe it. Thank you.
Look, a rescue boat helps people in floods or sea accidents.
It rescues animals and people from the water. Splash, splash.
Hover established. Rope deploying.
Harness approaching the rooftop. Clear path to the family.
It helps firefighters and rescuers reach hard places fast.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bright Kids Learning.